Hi, little Amber. Hey, Joe Rufus. Hey, Joe Rufus. Hi, little guys. This is August 30th. Rufus, dark red boy. Amber is lighter red female. Hi, little kid. Her owner came out today to visit. She liked cuddling with them. Didn't you, Amber? Hey, Rufus, you big metal fellow. Hey. Just thought I'd take some video just so you can see how they're maturing and playing. They are 8 pounds today. August 30th, 8 pounds. Starting to play more, walking more. They're eating the hard kibble and water, and I give them soft kibble a couple times a day just to get them used to eating food and weaning off of Mom because she's trying to wean them. Need to make that a little bigger, huh? There you go, now you can walk in. They're starting to use the pee-poo area rather than messing in the sleeping quarters, which is ideal. That's our goal. So they start toilet training for you. What's the matter, honey? What's the matter, Rufus? Hey, you prefer Flynn? Oh, I don't think so. Is it Rufus? Is that it? Amber's owners thought Ambrose would have been a good name for him. Amber and Ambrose.